cashew milk smoothie or watermelon cashew milkshake. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the smoothie recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the milk recipes and one of the most unique of the healthy smoothie recipes and one of the most unique of the watermelon smoothie recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the cashew recipes. We're going to make watermelon cashew milk smoothie. We've taken around 50 grams of cashew, 50 grams of sugar, and around 200 grams of watermelon cut into pieces, cashew and sugar, cloves, and grind well. Grind well. Open. Now pour in the milk. Close and blend well. Now the watermelon cashew milk smoothie is ready. It can be poured into the glasses. Pour in the watermelon cashew milk smoothie into the glasses. Final watermelon cashew milk smoothie or watermelon cashew milkshake. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the watermelon recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the milk recipes and one of the most delicious of the cashew smoothie recipes and one of the most unique of the cashew recipes and one of the most different of the watermelon recipes. One of the most delicious of the milk smoothie recipes and one of the most unique of the healthy smoothie recipes.